Hello, welcome back. The next set of problem for testers is steps to reproduce the bug, writing manual test cases, taking a screenshot manually, getting the system information like on which browser you were testing and all those things. So this particular tool, TestCase Studio, is the solution for all of these problems. What is TestCase Studio? TestCase Studio is a very simple recorder plugin, yet most secure recorder plugin out there at Chrome Store. It is very safe and secure. It doesn't save any kind of your user data on cloud or anywhere, so you can feel free to use it. It helps you to record the manual test cases. It helps you to get the steps to reproduce the bug, to file the bug. It gets you the screenshot, video recording, system information, XPath and CSS selector to write the automation script, and a lot more. So let's see how this simple tool can help you to save hours of time as well as a lot more things. How you can install it? Go to SelectorsHub.com, open this TestCase Studio. Here you will find the download links for all the browsers. It is available for all the browsers. Let's say we'll show it for Chrome browser. So click on Add to Chrome. Here you have Add to Chrome button. Click on this and add extension. You can see it here. It is already being used by more than 60,000 testers with almost 5-star rating out there, featured, verified, everything. So this got installed here. As usual, like by default you will not get the logo here on the Chrome toolbar. What you have to do, click on this extension icon and then pin it to toolbar, then you will get it here. Okay, so now we have this here. To use it, just open any website, like let's say we want to test it on flipkart.com. Before you start your normal testing, like exploratory testing, manual testing, whatever you call it, what you have to do, you just have to click on this TestCase Studio logo, that's all, and then you can continue your testing. So what you do, just click on this, it will open this window like this, and now you can start your testing. Like suppose you search for here, let's say we want to do a sanity test. Okay, now you click on this, you right click here, let's say we click on buy with exchange, we click on cross icon, here we click on buy now. Anything you will be doing here, it will be capturing each and every step. Now if you open this TestCase Studio here, now you see that all the steps has been recorded into plain English sentences. Okay, so you can see that here all the steps has been recorded here. If you want to file a bug or you want to share these steps with your developer to reproduce the bug, you can simply click on copy icon, you can paste it to your developer or in your bug management tool that these are the steps. So you can see that such a plain English sentences, those are, anybody can understand. Here you get the data as well, like whatever URL you have opened, whatever value you have entered, you get XPath CSS selector if you want to automate this particular test case. And here you can see the screenshot. Also the field will be highlighted where you have performed the action. So you see that such a simple thing, and the name of the screenshot is also right click on this particular field, so you know that in this screenshot what you were doing. Then here suppose you want to add any step, delete any step, that feature is also available here. You can add a step, delete a step. Also whenever you will file a bug, generally developer always asks what was the OS, what was the OS version, what was the browser version. So all that information you get it here. You can simply copy this and share it with your developer, or in your bug management tool you can paste this information. You can also download this particular test case, so it will be for your future reference that you have done this testing and you have the proof that yes, you have completed this scenario, it was working, if ever any issue comes in production, right? You can execute these steps in English as code. It will get executed on test trigger, so that also you can explore. You can also record the screen, like let's say you want to record the screen in a video format, so you can simply click, you can select any of the screen whichever you want to record, or you want to record any Windows app, or you want to record this entire screen, so that you can do, you just click on share, the video recording is started here, and then it get recorded. Well, once this is done, you can stop or pause, view, download, everything you can do. So this is how you can use this particular tool. Very simple yet super powerful. Like suppose you get a bug after 10-15 steps. Generally we don't remember all the steps which we were performing, so this tool will help you to get those steps easily. There are more features here. If you want to, like, you see that these XPath and CSS selectors are also generated. Suppose you want to automate this particular scenario, simply you click on this set driver command here. You see that the command is set now. You can simply copy this, go to your editor, and here you paste the code. And now whichever action you want to perform, that you can write, like add dot click dot whatever you are doing there, you can perform those actions here. So you see that such a simple way you can generate this automation script. You can automate that test case as well, and it will be super stable script, because the XPath and CSS selector which are generated here are being generated with the SelectorsHub logic, so those are very stable, so you can trust on them. Also you can optimize this command, you can change this command the way I have shown you guys in SelectorsHub. Like if you are using any particular framework at the rate find by something like that, that also you can change and it will get reflected here. Like let's say you are using this one, just fine. So make sure that just you have the XPath value keyword here, rest is fine. And now you see that this has got updated, so you can use this. Then if you want to delete all the steps in one shot and you want to fresh recording, that you can do. Here you have an option, more option, like you can hide any column. Like let's say you don't need XPath or CSS selector column there, you can hide them. You can hide expected result column, so that you can do if you want. Then you have a option, like if you want to record test cases in BDD format, you can click on this, it will be recording in BDD format. If you want to change any of these command, like let's say in place of it used to say open website, like if you go back here, the first steps comes as open website, then enter this whenever you will be performing enter command. If you want to change them, you want to change keyword, like open URL you want to say, in place of click on you want to say click at. So this will also you can change. So like now if you go back, delete all steps here, and if you start performing steps, now you see that open URL click at Flipkart. So now it's coming what you have what you were looking for, like what you have changed. So if you are using any particular terminology in your company, then in that case you can add it here. You can edit it in TestCase Studio. Also if you want to record in any particular language, in your local language, that also you can do. Like suppose you are recording test case in any language like Hindi or any local language, in that case that can also be done. Like suppose you are testing any website which is in your local language, in that case you can record these test cases in your local language as well. Like here suppose we want to record these test cases in this Hindi language. So what you can do here, let me just translate. You can translate these sentences. So here in place of open URL, you want to record test cases because you are testing this website which is in local language. So what you have to do, translate English to Hindi. So what I will do, I will just paste all these and copy this. Here I will replace them. Okay, click at. So whatever is the keyword there which is not inside curly braces, that all I will change. Okay, now let's say I will just show with these two commands, rest all also you can change. Now I will go back here, delete all these steps. Okay, here on this page, now let me just open TestCase Studio here. Whatever action if I will perform now, so because we have changed two commands in that, so if we will perform those actions, it will record. Like you see that it is coming everything, all the sentence, the complete sentence is coming in that language. Per click करें, URL खोलें. So this is like you can record in your local language as well. You just have to change the keywords here in settings. And if you want to go back, you just click on this reset button and it will go back to the default. So this is how you can generate the test cases, test steps in any language, in your local language. If you want to go to BDD, you just click on this and now go back here. Let's delete this. If you will be performing any action here, it will be recording in that kind of format. When the user opens website, then the user click on this, all those things. You can also insert the assert statement in between, like assert, store, verify, like in you used to do in Selenium IDE. So let's say you want to set a assert statement, you want to add an assert statement not present, click on this and this will get added here. So this is how like you can add the assert statement as well. So these all are the features of TestCase Studio. When you download the test case, it get downloaded with the default name, the domain name and the timestamp. If you want to set the test case name like before downloading, like demo TCS, then in that case it will get downloaded. It will get downloaded with this particular test case name. So you can set the test case name here at the top. Okay. The Pro version is also available for TestCase Studio Pro. In that you can do a lot more things, like you can you will be able to customize the template. You will be able to do a lot more things, so that if you want to check out, you can check out here. And that has many features, like you can resume the recording, you can pause the recording, lot more things. You can record multiple test cases, lots of customization. You can directly create the tickets in Jira and all those things, so that you can do. So you can check out that if you want. Also, like I will create a separate tutorial for all these tools, that how you can use it in incognito mode. These will work for mobile web as well. Like if you are having a website which is on mobile web, so that also you can test, but it will not work for native mobile apps, but it will work for mobile web. Okay. Also like if you want to test it anything, if you want to use these SelectorsHub and TestCase Studio on incognito mode, then what you have to do, just click on manage extension. Here if you come down, there's a two fields like allow in incognito. Okay, by default if you open incognito, the extension icon will not be there. Okay, if you want, you just click on. Now you see that it is here. If you want to use the TestCase Studio SelectorsHub for local HTML files, then also you have to turn on this toggle, and now it will work for local HTML files as well. Also, if you want to get SelectorsHub and TestCase Studio on your automated browser window, there is a small piece of code that you will have to add. That tutorial is also available on YouTube, so that you can check out. So yeah, so this is how you can use the TestCase Studio tool, which will help you guys to get these steps, screenshot and everything. And more details you can find it here on the website, on the homepage of TestCase Studio, and you can quickly compare with the free version, Pro version. Also, if you want to just hide these ads, just donate one time $10 for lifetime, and the ads and any kind of interruption will be hidden and you will not be. So yeah, this is TestCase Studio, guys. I'm sure this will help you guys to save a good amount of time. Thank you. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.